Water cycle is the continuous movement of water from the earth to the atmosphere by evaporation, transpiration, and perspiration and back from the atmosphere to the earth by precipitation. Process of water cycling in nature. The solar energy causes water to evaporate from the hydrosphere into the atmosphere. When the water vapor cools, it condenses. At high altitude, the condensed water form clouds. The clouds precipitate as rain returning to the hydrosphere. Importance of water to plants. Water is very important to living organisms, both plants and animals, in number of ways. 1. Water provides the medium for absorption of dissolved mineral salts by plants. 2. Water is an essential raw material in the process of photosynthesis. 3. It acts as a medium of transport for plants' nutrients. 4. It maintains osmotic content of body tissues. 5. Water is the main component of plant protoplasm. 6. Water is required for germination. Importance of water to animals. 1. It acts as a solvent for soluble food substances in digestion of food. 2. It constitutes a large portion of the blood. 3. Water aids excretion of waste products by animals. 4. Water regulates body temperature. 5. Water provides a natural habit for aquatic organisms. Keep exploring, and never stop expanding your knowledge in this fascinating field of biology. Every discovery opens the door to even greater wonders, so stay curious and committed to learning. Remember, there is still so much more waiting for you to uncover, so don't relent, keep pushing forward, and let your passion for discovery guide you.